Okay, week 4 was an exciting one in Somnium space because 2 teleporters sold for a lot of money, and this is the map right here without the sales on it right now. You can imagine that the island parcels are pretty valuable. This is where you spawn in for the first time, so you can go in any one of these directions here, and the mountain parcels have been pretty popular too, anything in the roads and near here. But you're not going to be able to walk any faster than you can in real life. So getting from this side of a pond to the other side of the pond can take a long time. I think this is 20 kilometers by 20 kilometers, and you can only walk as fast as you normally can in real life. So teleporters are going to be spawned throughout this area here, and there's only 50 of them. So there might be one over here in the mountains, and if you pay maybe $3 per month, I'm not sure what kind of fees there will be, or maybe just like 50 cents to $1 per travel, per teleport, then you can just go to that spot. So 2 teleporters sold. Now I'm going to go to that picture. Alright, so here are all of the sales, and you can see the 2 teleporters up here. The first one was number 2 out of 25. There was also 25 that were given away to early backers a while ago. So 25 then, 25 now, there's 25 of each. This is the newer ones. They sold for 15,000 Somnium cubes and 9.8 Ether. So that's about $1,500, and that's about $1,800. Let's go through some of these parcels here. You can see the XL. The only XL that sold was right here over in the mountains. The medium that sold is over here close to the water, but it's a road front parcel. 5,000 cubes again, so $500. All of these small sold. However, the first 6 here, 2 with a road, were an estate over here. 2, and then 2 and 2. Now, if I zoom in even more, you can see how those small parcels are set up right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. That's how these ones are set up. There's 6 of them. These are the 6 parcels. That's why 2 of them are roads. This whole thing was bought as a package on OpenSea, and it's a pretty nice package. That's a nice spot. You can see the water. It's a nice little estate, all small. Pretty cool. And then 2 small sold next to it. You can see the price difference here. 0.75 for all of these ones. The road, it was all grouped together as an estate. These 2 can be grouped together as an estate, but they're both still small, and they are not touching the road. They also don't have these other parcels that are touching the road, so they might be willing to pay a little bit more and average out to about 0.75 as well here, but the pricing looks pretty similar and pretty accurate there. Looks like people paid the same pricing anyway. And then a bunch of other smalls. Small over here in the mountains sold for 0.9 compared to all of these right here. So somebody valued that one a little bit higher. Maybe someone was eager to get a parcel near the mountains, and it was on the road, so they jumped on it. Maybe there's all kinds of reasons that it could have been sold for more than that, because there's a small right here overlooking the water, and it sold for a nice low price of 0.65. So that one's nice, touching the water, and you can see it's right on a junction here too of the road, so that's a great spot. And then on the bottom half of the map, only one down here, 0.85, pretty high price again. I would think that this might sell for a little less than these ones. It looks like this one's in prime position here, but it was sold as a group, so maybe a group discount. But yeah, looks like this one just looks a little high in comparison to these ones. It doesn't mean someone overpaid at all, but just in general, people are valuing. So this is valuing the mountain and the road. You can tell here, this one's valuing the road and the water, but down here, this one, well, yeah, you can probably see the water. Maybe. I don't know. That's tough to say. I'm not sure if you can see the water from there or not. But small on the road, nice parcel.